Let's see how we can sort a list of string based on the length of the string. Okay, so we already have this list of string. Let's take that. We're gonna stream it. We're gonna call the sorted method. Here we want to take the comparator, and the implementation of comparator, what we are gonna do is a dot length minus b dot length. So what this will do is the smallest will come first, and then the bigger one will come. So what you can do is do for each system dot out println. So once you do this, you can go ahead and run the program. Okay, if you see, the one with the smaller length are coming first, and then the one with the bigger length. You might be thinking this a with an apple is coming first, but let's take one more element over here. Let's call it 1, and then let's try to run it again. Didn't I press it? Yeah, let's run it. You see the smallest is coming first, and then it's keep on increasing based on the length.